Hey, this is Steve from Ski Coaching Online. Welcome back to another video. In this one we're going to look at how I make or how I maneuver myself around like tricky situations, like an icy pitch with like a sharp corner. So as I come down here, I make sure as I'm sliding down my skis are pointing the way that when I hit this soft stuff that I actually want to go, that way then I can continue on this way. If I go into that with my skis pointing the other way, as I hit it, I'm going to have to then try to maneuver myself around, which makes it a little bit more difficult. I'm always trying to think about where I'm going rather than where I'm at. So for example, down here, I might do a couple of little kind of side slippy type things. I'm going to do a 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth one is into the open space. And it's okay to slide because I know there's a bunch of softer snow coming up on the outside. So here, if I do want to slow down a little bit, if it's a bit much, I look around, a little bit of a slippy traverse over to some softer snow. So as I'm skiing down here, it's a little bit softer under my feet, so I can continue to ski down a little bit easier. Where I am now is pretty slick. Again, I slide into the soft stuff with my skis pointing to the space. So as I come down here now, this is kind of notoriously icy, so I keep my skis pointing into the space. So when I move, I've got plenty of space to ski into. It's pretty open in front of me now, so I can just let my skis run a little bit. If it's a bit too fast, I can then move towards the outside of the slope, which is where that softer snow is as I'm going. Cool. Right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.